There was a 22-year-old young man named Alex who fell in love with a 70-year-old lady named Mary. They met at a local community center where Mary volunteered to help people in need, and Alex was taking classes to improve his English skills. Despite the age gap, they clicked instantly and started dating. You are on the Story or Truth channel. Sign up, that way you'll always have a great story to follow. Alex loved spending time with Mary, listening to her stories about her life experiences and enjoying her company. Mary was happy to have someone who cared about her and made her feel alive again. As their relationship grew stronger, Alex realized he wanted to spend the rest of his life with Mary, and he started thinking about the future. One day, Alex overheard Mary talking to her friend about how she struggled to pay her bills and cover her medical expenses. This got Alex thinking about the financial responsibilities that come with growing old, and he decided to look into getting a life insurance policy for Mary. He knew it was important to plan for the worst-case scenario, and he wanted to make sure Mary was taken care of no matter what. After researching different insurance policies and providers, Alex found a policy that he thought would be perfect for Mary. He filled out the application and submitted it, feeling proud of himself for taking care of his girlfriend's future. He was excited to tell Mary about his plan and how it would give her peace of mind. However, when Alex received the policy documents in the mail, he was shocked and scared by what he saw. The insurance company had approved the policy, but the coverage amount was much lower than he had expected. Alex had not fully understood the fine print and had mistakenly chosen a policy that didn't offer as much protection as he thought. Feeling embarrassed and afraid to tell Mary the truth, Alex kept the policy hidden from her and decided to look for a better option. He spent weeks researching and comparing different policies, but he couldn't find one that he could afford and that would offer the amount of coverage he wanted. Meanwhile, Mary had noticed that Alex was acting strange and distant. She could sense that something was wrong, but Alex refused to talk about it. She began to worry that he was losing interest in her, and she started to feel sad and lonely. One day, Mary found the policy documents in Alex's drawer while she was cleaning the room. She read them carefully and realized that Alex had been trying to protect her by getting a life insurance policy. She was touched by his thoughtfulness and kindness, but when she saw the coverage amount, she knew that it wouldn't be enough to cover her expenses if something happened to her. Mary confronted Alex about the policy, and he finally opened up to her about what had happened. He explained his mistake and how he had been trying to find a better option. Mary listened to him patiently and reassured him that she didn't care about the money or the policy. She was grateful for his love and dedication, and that was all that mattered to her. Together, Alex and Mary decided to focus on the present and enjoy their time together. They went on walks, watched movies, and talked about their hopes and dreams for the future. They both knew that life was unpredictable, but they also knew that they could face anything as long as they had each other. Years went by, and Alex and Mary's love continued to grow stronger. They faced many challenges and obstacles, but they never lost sight of what was important. They celebrated each other's birthdays, anniversaries, and milestones, cherishing every moment they had together. One day, Mary fell ill and had to be hospitalized. Alex was by her side, holding her hand and whispering words of love and comfort. Despite the uncertainty and fear, they both knew that they had lived a full life together and that their love was stronger than anything else. Mary passed away peacefully in Alex's arms, and he was heartbroken. In the days that followed, Alex felt lost and alone without Mary. He went through her belongings, reminiscing about their memories together. In one of her drawers, he found the life insurance policy documents that he had tried to hide from her. He read them over again and realized that, despite his mistake, he had still managed to provide Mary with some financial security. Alex decided to use the money from the policy to honor Mary's memory. He donated it to the community center where they had met, helping to fund programs for seniors and people in need. He also started volunteering there himself, inspired by Mary's selflessness and dedication. Through his volunteer work, Alex met many people and made new friends. He realized that there was so much more to life than money or material possessions. He had loved Mary for who she was, not for what she had or didn't have. And he knew that she had loved him for the same reasons. Years went by, and Alex continued to volunteer at the community center, helping to make a difference in people's lives. He never forgot about Mary or the lessons she had taught him. He knew that she was watching over him from above, proud of the person he had become. In the end, Alex realized that the most valuable thing he had ever received from Mary was not the life insurance policy, but the love and wisdom she had shared with him. He had learned that age, race, or gender didn't matter when it came to love, and that the greatest gift one could give was their heart. And he knew that, no matter what happened, he would always carry Mary's love with him, wherever he went.